Ventrac is built for the demands of winter. When you have Ventrac, you have it all. The power, the quality, the performance. Get more benefits from your snow equipment when you need it most.
Ventrac, I think, is realizing the usefulness of that piece of equipment for snow. I personally think the snow attachments you guys are building are quality.
Ventrac's compact size goes where larger equipment cannot. Get in and out of a job quickly when time is critical. Effortless controls make Ventrac comfortable and easy to operate for hours on end.
We can take a Ventrac and put in the back of a box truck or in a small trailer. We're not running large trailers, moving big pieces of equipment, so it's saving us operating costs and also the possibility of fines from overloading and so forth. So it's really helped that way. We've attracted and retained staff members because of the comfort of the machine, the ease of operation.
Ventrac gets around easily with four-wheel drive traction and the ability to maneuver quickly on and off curbs, sidewalks, and driveways, so the job gets done faster.
That's where it excels, to have that articulating capacity and also especially the four-wheel drive, the pushing power, and to be able to get on and off the curbs and so forth really well. It works well. It's easy to turn around. It is a little more compact, even with a skid steer. They're bigger machines. Sometimes you get to the end of the sidewalk, you can't swing around as fast, where a Ventrac you can.
Whether it's a light dusting or handling a major event, Ventrac excels on sidewalks with the power to quickly clear away snow while being kind to landscape.
If you're managing sidewalks in a snow operation, you definitely want to look at it. It's a versatile piece of equipment. I think Ventrac's done a great job seeing what the end user needs. I mean, it definitely has helped our whole business. I mean, we find it being very efficient on the sidewalk, so we're able to get the properties done.
When you need to move snow and move it now, Ventrac's powerful snowblower is the ultimate snow clearing machine, capable of throwing heavy snow up to 40 feet from parking lots, driveways, and sidewalks.
We've had other manufacturer snowblowers on different pieces of equipment, and honestly, that Ventrac snowblower, exceeds what some of the other pieces of equipment we've had.
Chute controls are fast and easy to efficiently throw snow in any direction.
The controls are very good on that we can control the chute rotation and also distance, that depending which property we might be able to either throw it short or throw it long pretty quickly where the machine can keep going, that he can adjust that chute so he bypasses some of the spur sidewalks that come off the main sidewalks. He's not throwing snow onto those. So the controls are excellent.
If your accounts demand zero tolerance, Ventrac brooms put you ahead of the competition.
We've had other manufacturers of brooms for either out front mowers or walk behind machines with brooms. By far, the Ventrac broom is the nicest, most efficient, best built broom that we have ever used in our operation, both for snow and for landscape. Ease of control, the reverse spin of the bristles is helpful, but just the ease of operation is incredible.
Enhance performance and combine the broom with a Ventrac spreader for a one-pass operation for applying material directly to a bare surface.
You can run one piece of equipment and do two operations, and that is the way to go. I mean, if you can have the operator in one pass clean the snow and then put down at the ice product, it's going to save in labor and just get the project done faster.
For a more controlled application of material, add the optional drop curtain. For precise control while clearing snow, the Ventrac V-blade adjusts easily to what the job requires.
We'll normally switch over to the blade if we're anticipating a fairly heavy snowfall, an inch an hour. We prefer the V-blades. Gives you a lot more control where you put the snow. You can scoop it, carry it a little further, you can angle it. The nice thing with the V-blade, you can adjust the angles to accommodate more narrow sidewalks so you don't fully V it.
Comfort is a must when work hours are long, and in the Ventrac cab, operators stay warm and dry.
Our operators love the cab. It's a very well-built piece of equipment for the snow industry. I mean, you could spend hours upon hours in that cab. And, operator comfort is important.
When winter hits and you need to respond fast, depend on Ventrac snow equipment to keep you operating event after event.
Because of a few factors with the economy and also transportation issues, we are finding that we are parking and not using some of our bigger other pieces of equipment and utilizing the Ventracs more. They've gone the last 3 or 4 years from kind of a supplemental piece of equipment and snow-only piece of equipment to a real backbone piece of equipment for our day-to-day operations.
Let Ventrac put you out in front of the competition with over 30 commercial-grade attachments with more profitable options all year round for moving mulch, mowing, aerating, trenching, grinding stumps, blowing leaves, and much, much more. Ventrac is your one tractor solution for all of winter's demands.